Hello, welcome back to Sassy's Cuisine. If today your first time here, I give you a warmly welcome to my channel. Yes, today we are coming to try something new. We're coming to make waffles. Yes, we're mentioning the ingredients and its measurements whilst I'm mixing it. Okay, so just stay with me. But I'll also leave the ingredients in the description section for you to get it. So what I'll do is I'll pour my flour in my mixing bowl. I'm using 2 cups of soft flour, and I'm using 1/3 cup of fine sugar or normal sugar, and I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We're going to add another one, so making it 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Yes, and I'll add a pinch of salt to give it a nice taste. So the next step is butter, milk and egg. So this is our melted butter. I'm going to pour in melted butter, and diluted milk, okay. So before you add your eggs to the melted butter and diluted milk, you have to break your eggs into a separate bowl, and you separate the egg whites from the yolk. So you carefully and gently do that. This is how you're going to do it. So you pour it in here, leaving the egg white. You leave the egg yolk in the shell, and you allow the egg white to pour into a clean bowl. Okay, and you add the egg yolk to your melted butter and diluted milk. I'm using 2 eggs, so I'm going to repeat the same process. So if you didn't get the first one, this is how you're going to do it. You break the egg, then you allow the egg white to come out. That's the water apart from the yolk, the other fluid in the egg shell. Allow it to come out like this, then you pour it into the other side. Okay, so this is how to separate egg white from the egg yolk. Now add it to my melted butter. Okay. So you mix everything together. You have to take your time. So I'm adding it to my dry ingredients. So we have our egg whites here. So that one you're going to whisk it for 4 minutes before you add it to the paste. So I'll add my strawberry extract to it. I'm adding it to my paste. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. So I'm going to mix it till I get I'm mixing it till I get a perfect mixture. So I think this is okay. This is exactly where I want my paste to be. It shouldn't be light. When mixing, it shouldn't be too light or too thick. So I have to preheat my waffle machine and slightly grease it with butter. So I'll go ahead and fetch my paste onto it. So I'll cover it and allow it to bake for 5 minutes. So let's check on our waffle. Wow, I think it's ready. So our waffles are ready. After baking it, this is how it will look like. So you have to carefully and gently divide it into two. Or you can divide it into any size that you want, as many as you want it, like this. Okay. So with mine, I'm just dividing it into two. Thank you so much for staying with me and watching this beautiful and simple waffle video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till we meet again, say bye bye.